Hello guys, today we are going to see the leetcode question recovery binary search tree. So we know that here actually any of the nodes given the root of a binary search tree where the values of exactly two of the nodes of the tree were swapped by mistake and we have to recover the tree. We know that binary search tree is a tree in which when we consider a root node, its left subtree is less than consists of node values which are less than the root node, and the right subtree consists of node values which are greater than the root node. So this is especially a binary tree, so any of the by mistakenly any of the nodes got swapped and we have to recover that binary search tree. So in this example, here 3 is the 1 is has become the root node, and its left subtree consists of 3, which is consisting of node value which is greater than 3, but it is present in the left part. So we have to make 3 as the root node such that the left part consists of the value which is less than the root node, and the when it would become 1 and this would become 3, then one right part should contain node value which should be greater than 1, that is consisting of 2. So this would become a BST. So we would use a in-order traversal method because if any of the tree would consider, the in-order traversal in a binary search tree would be of sorted sequence, because as we know that left part consists of the less node values, right sub part consists of more node values. So when we traverse from left root then right, then it would give us a sorted sequence. So first we have the tree in which by mistakenly any of the node got swapped. We have to find its in order traversal and store it inside a vector and then sort it. After sorting we would get a sorted sequence, and then we have to traverse the uh, that root that we have given, or the tree that we have given in the question, and we have to match every of the vector stored in the values stored in the vector with these nodes, and if any of them gets mismatched then we have to swap it. So let us see the code of the question. Here is the code of the question. First we have made a in order traversal function that if there is no root we have to return, it is a void type, and if there is no root then return we have to traverse the left subtree and we have to push the root value in the vector, and the vector is declared globally, and the right then we have to traverse the right part, and then void solve function is made in which the root of the tree and the vector in between by address is passed, and there is no root, it is also a void type, then we have to return, and the left subtree is traveled, and in each of the left subtree we have to check the vector values, and we have already, after calling the in-order function, we have sorted the vector as we can see here, and after sorting the vector we have to check each of the vector values. If becomes not equal to the root value then it might have got swapped, so we have to swap it to such that it comes in correct sequence, and we have to increment I because we have to travel the vector elements, and then for the right part we have to check the same. That function is called at the last, and as vector was, as it was also a void type, so it would have returned the answer, and the change had been made also in the tree. This is the code. Thank you.